That's a big stride. That's a big male bear.
A spring snowstorm the night before has blanketed Montana's Swan Valley, south of Glacier National Park.
Were they fresh, the wolves?
For expert wildlife tracker Tom Parker, conditions couldn't be better. Before noon, his party finds prints left by grizzlies, wolves, elk, deer, and other wildlife. But their biggest find...
You can see there's one of the kittens walking, there's one actually bounding right there.
5 sets of tracks with what looks to be a healthy 90-pound adult mountain lion. It's the most offspring he's ever seen with one mother in more than 30 years of tracking lions.
This is an amazing little find, I have to tell you.
For Parker, a hunting guide who works with researchers and teaches tracking, all the evidence in the snow shows just how rich this habitat is for wildlife, and why he and others worked to keep this forest from being carved into real estate. Beginning in the late 1990s, Plum Creek Timber Company, the largest private landowner in Montana, started putting its timberland on the real estate market.
We knew that because we do have this extensive private land checkerboarded throughout our forested landscape, that was a huge threat, and that real estate values and real estate demand was just skyrocketing.
Community conservation groups soon found they were outpaced in their efforts to preserve wildlife habitat and other forest values. So the Nature Conservancy and Trust for Public Land stepped in with the Montana Legacy Project, negotiating a bulk purchase with help from Congress and the state. They agreed to buy more than 310,000 acres from Plum Creek, including 67,000 acres here. Ringed by wilderness areas, the Swan Valley provides rich, low-elevation habitat for many sensitive species. The grizzly track marches through one of the purchased parcels that is now national forest, public land.
It was actually planned to be a development right there, and the more development you disperse out here, the higher the likelihood of conflict with these animals.
If not for the buyout, he says, this bear's backyard would be someone else's home. For Assignment Earth, I'm Gary Stryker.